Hello everyone, I'm Derek, and today we're going to make a serving board. And so here we are right here. I'm cutting this rough slab down to size using my track saw here. One side done, now I'm going to do the other side. And if anybody knows what type of wood this is, let me know down in the comments. I'm not too positive what it was, but it was really easy to work with. So yeah, if you know, let me know. And since it is a live edge, I'm getting all the bark off that was left on there. And you'll see another hammer, some little small hands come in here in a second. That's my grandson, Carson, always willing to help me out. I enjoy having him in the shop so he can learn things. And as you can see right here, looks like it might be in the middle of the tree because the growth rings are basically a semicircle. And because of that, what I'd like to do is cut that out of this to keep it from cupping. And so I'm going to cut that middle out, and then I'm going to glue these two edges back together again. And I'm going to take it over to the bandsaw to make this happen. And you'll see that I'm not really following the line to an exact amount because I'm going to take it over to the jointer and tighten it up, get it nice and straight with the jointer. And then also another reason I had to cut that center out too is so it would actually fit on my joiner and planer here. I've got a 12-inch joiner planer, so it's got to be below that 12 inches. So I'm jointing that face. I'm going to do that on both pieces, and then I'm going to joint the edge, so I'm going to have a 90-degree. There you see now I'm doing the edge. And now that I got everything jointed up, I'm gonna glue them back together again. And since there's a chance this could be getting wet, or it probably will be getting wet since it's a serving board, I'm going to use Top Bond 3, which is water resistant. And I'm going to use some clamps here to help make sure that they stay fairly even though I'm going to be able to take this back over to the jointer again and joint the face, and then I'll thickness it down to the correct size. And here we are after the glue's dried up, and joining the face. And I'm not going to joint the edges because I want to keep that nice live edge look on the edges. But once I joint the face, then I'm going to put it through the thicknesser to get it down to the correct thickness, as you can see right here. And the client wanted her daughter's initials on the cutting board, so I just freehand drew some initials, an A and a K, and I'm taking my router and I'm just tracing a line that I drew. Again, just freehanding, and really hoping that I don't screw up, because that would be horrible to screw up now. And it came out pretty good. I used the V-groove router bit for this. And now I'm applying some stain. And again, I didn't know what type of wood this was, so I was kind of gambling on what type of stain to use. And I actually used the gel stain on this, Kono. And I really like how it came out. I was really happy with this choice. Now it's time to put the finish on, and I chose to use shellac, and I thinned it down quite a bit. I think I probably ended up with about 8 coats on the top and about 6 coats on the bottom. And I've learned that really thinning out the shellac has really made it a lot easier to apply. And here I am using a little jig here to get the hose drilled for the feet, and just kind of skim the surface. I didn't drill a whole hole right here. I just kind of want to get it started, and using my awl there just to make the hole just a little bit deeper. So now I can come back with a drill bit, and it'll fit in the hole, and it won't run around on me. And here I am now putting on the rubber feet. This more or less just gonna, not only aesthetically, but it's also gonna raise the board up off the table and keep it from sliding around. And now it came time to put the handles on there, so trying to even, because everything's not really straight as far as the edges go, so doing the best that I can to get these lined up just right. And I'm using my awl here to kind of give me an idea of where I'm going to need to drill at. So basically I'm holding my breath, hoping that I got this in the right spot. This first one won't be as critical as trying to do the second hole though. And now what I'm going to do, I'm taking it over to the drill press, and since the screws aren't very long, I'm going to use the Forstner bit here to drill down, so I can make the screws that came with those handles, I can make them work, and this way they'll be long enough to go all the way through. Right now I've got all 4 holes done, and I already tested it out, and Luckily, I lined it up just right, and screwing the screw all the way through till it just barely pokes out. And this way I can put the handle on, as you'll see in a second, and get it lined up just right. And then screw it in to tighten it up on the handle, and it ain't going anywhere. I got a few pictures coming up here at the end. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoy how it looked. I really like how it came out. And again, if anybody knows what type of wood this is, leave me a comment down at the bottom and let me know. I appreciate you watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you very much, y'all. Y'all have a great day.